She said yes.
Often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
What's up, family? How y'all doing?
Hey, pay attention to me.
I'm coming. Y'all, look. My feet hurt. My ankles still hurt. I'm finally able to put a little pressure on it, but I'm not overdoing it at all. I've been chilling, relaxing, watching movies, have my feet up, all that good stuff. Anytime I do have to go out, I'm riding one of their power chairs and stuff. So I'm doing so much better. Thank the Lord for that. Yeah. So just give thanks every day. I have my sweet potatoes in the oven. I'm not sure. No, he didn't. I thought John put up a sweet potato video on our cooking channel. Our cooking channel. I know I have one up on the main channel and the second channel, but I don't remember us putting one up on the cooking channel. But he will be making a sweet potato pie pound cake. I mean, a sweet potato pound cake. I'm making my sweet potato pies, and then I am making a lemon pound cake. But we're doing our pound cakes first thing in the morning because we got to leave our eggs, butter, and all that out, overnight. But that's why I took my butter out for my candy so it can get room temperature. And that's it. That's pretty much it. It's just been a chill, relaxed couple of days. We just been relaxing because we got holiday food we're going to be cooking. A lot of you guys asked what all are we having. So for desserts, we having sweet potato pound cake, lemon pound cake, peach cobbler, sweet potato pies. I was going to do a crumb cake, but I'm saving the crumb cake and the cheesecakes and other cakes for Christmas. And then, of course, I'm going to have candy. And then we having adult beverages and then beverages that's kid-friendly. Macaroni and cheese, sweet potatoes or yams, whichever you prefer to call them, ham, turkey, potato salad, sweet peas, green beans. I said macaroni and cheese, right? We was going to do gumbo, but we're having crawfish etouffee, and I feel like I'm missing something. Dressing, and we're doing dressing, gravy, and then we're going to have rice as well. All right. Oh, I get it. So okay, yeah. So yeah, we was gonna vlog. Well, I was gonna vlog throughout the day as well. But let me tell y'all, life just been trying to play catch up. I did get all of my pies done. Those videos will be all recorded, and they will be up on our third channel, Cooking with the Crew. And I know someone is gonna ask, why does it look like that? That is butter, you guys. That is butter. And I'm going to show you guys in the oven so y'all can see what I mean. Some people do it this way, some do not. And I just want to say, I have melted my butter and then put it in my pies, and I have done it this way. And in my opinion, and all of my family likes it, all of, my family that I send pies to, they all like it, and they can taste the butter in each of the bites. When I take it and I break it in here like this, and like you would do a pound cake or biscuits, instead of just melting it. But either way, whatever is that you normally used to doing. Now, as you guys see here, how it looks completely different, because, and I did it the same exact way, but the butter is melting in the pies. Hold on, let me pull this out so y'all can see what I mean. Like I said, because I know some people may be concerned, like, but is it really gonna, and it's gonna come out looking the same exact way. It's just as soon as that butter hit the heat, it's going to melt, and you will not be able to tell the difference, but I promise you're going to taste the difference, okay? And I do have deep dish pies. So, and I had 15 to 16 potatoes, and it made 6 deep dish pies. And then this is Jordan's sweet potato pound cake. I don't know if he's going to put a glaze on it. Are you doing a glaze? He said no, he's not doing a glaze. But I'm doing a glaze for mine because I am doing a lemon pound cake, and I just like a glaze. That's just my preference. But I like a glaze. Now, and then I still have to do my pound cake. So I'm about to do that in a minute. That Minute Maid, don't worry about that Minute Maid. He was just drinking on that. And then I'm about to start on my peaches so I can do my peach cobbler, but I'm not going to put it together today. I'm just going to go ahead on and spice it up and heat it. Oh, spice it up and heat it. And then I am going to also make my batter for the topping.
Okay, guys, we're going to give y'all a sneak peek.
And I just suggest y'all taste it as you go.
Look,
Depending on how many
sneak peek of the queen doing her sweet potato pies, y'all. I'm on the job editing the video, and it'll be up. I'm going to drop 2 videos each day, 2 to 3 videos each day. So if y'all ain't subscribed to Cooking with the Crew, y'all come on over.
And this video will be up today, you guys, because I have my mama putting up her Christmas tree. That video is going to go up tomorrow on the second channel, as well as other videos that we will be having that will be going up. So yeah, we're getting busy, y'all. We're getting busy. All right, y'all. Let me go ahead on and finish up.
She said yes.
Oh my God, stop it. Whatever. We're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about this soon, but we ain't going to talk about this right now. Yeah, we're going to talk about this soon. I don't want y'all to be like, oh, she just going to act like that's not sitting on her finger. We're going to talk about it all soon. I promise. But yeah, we're going to talk about it soon. It's a lot of stuff that when I tell you guys that we have coming for y'all. And yeah, I don't know, y'all. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And like I said, I'm glad that all of you faithful and loyal ones, the ones who want to be here no matter what my title is, like, that's who we doing this for. So yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and go to the store, but first we gotta go to the fire department and drop off this cake and
We
stuff.
blessed the firemen today with cake and pie.
Yep. So
we made a whole lemon cake and sweet potato pie. We give it to the fire department. It's all about giving and blessing others and reaching others. And we touched the EMS and the fire department, so we decided we'll do something nice for them today. So that's what we're doing.
Because they was nice. They was so kind to us yesterday. So yeah, but we about, like he said, we about to go and take care of this stuff, and then we gotta run to Walmart and get some celery. But we need some celery, so we going to get some celery. And I gotta get some more chocolate cocoa and powdered sugar because I'm making some homemade chocolate icing. Because since we're giving away a pound cake, I don't want to make another pound cake, so we're just gonna make regular cakes, and I'm gonna do some chocolate icing and stuff on it. And I'm not gonna do a buttercream. I'm just gonna do chocolate icing. So we're gonna get that done today and finish up the rest of our cooking. So y'all gonna get a haul. Y'all gonna get a walkthrough. Y'all just gonna get some videos. So I hope y'all love us, genuinely love us for who we are. I pray y'all accept us for who we are, because that's just who we are. That's what you're gonna get with us. You're not gonna get any sugarcoating. You're gonna get us.
And if you don't accept us for who we are, what we be, what we look like, oh well, no problem. Take it to God, and God will fix it.
Yeah, because what is in the middle? I'm coming. Okay, y'all. I don't even change clothes. Gotta do some comfortable pajamas too. I'm cooking, so I just want some lounging PJs. Jordan is about to put He's about to put his turkey wings in, so he can put his dressing. I gotta finish up my stuff. My peach cobbler, I gotta get that. I'm about to get that mixed up now. And everybody get his cakes and stuff done. He's gonna get his dressing done. He will be going live sometime this evening on the cooking channel to show you guys how he get all his dressing and stuff together. So y'all just stay tuned for that. I just put up a grocery haul on the second channel, Mississippi Southern Crew. I just got that up. So hopefully you guys will see this video today. I'm gonna try to get it out today. I know it's not a whole lot, but it's just kind of like what we've been doing and prepping and whatnot. And then of course tomorrow we're gonna share with you guys what we haven't, because I still got more stuff to cook, still got more things to do. So we just been crazy busy. But he's been holding it down and putting up videos like back to back. So as soon as he finished cooking something, he started editing and he's putting it up. So he's getting these videos out for y'all, these cooking Thanksgiving videos. So they all on the channel, the grocery house walkthroughs, the vlog stuff. I still got to get my Christmas decorations put up with her tree. That's going to be put up tomorrow. So if y'all get time, I know it's Thanksgiving, but you know, like when y'all husbands are watching football, if y'all don't like to watch football, y'all will get a chance to watch her put up the tree.
Guys, look how much taller I got in the past like day. I love this girl. She's so crazy. Mama.
Don't pay attention to his hair. I gotta wash it today.
Can we go to the park today?
Child, I can't promise you that it's 120.
Aww.
But you got, well, your sister gonna go to work soon, and Alicia asked her what she gonna do. So I've been kind of snacking on a piece of my pie. You guys, we did tell you guys. Yes. Yeah, we did tell you guys that.
Mom got me whipped cream, and she got me some strawberry milk. So I'm about to. I love it. Huh?
Well, I'm finna finish sitting here. I'm finna sit here and finish this pie.
Sorry, with
And I'm gonna get this video up for y'all. Get the rest of these cakes and stuff done. I don't know.
Oh, Mom, can I show you something?
What?
I gotta go get it first. I'll be back.
I guess we're just gonna watch
I'm back.
some TV today. But we'll be back. Like I said, I'll get my Christmas tree video up. But we'll be back, y'all. Oh, hold on.
Guys, I want to show y'all something really, really, really cool. Watch. Are you ready? Look. It's a broken Hot Wheel car.
And that's cool?
Yeah.
Why is it cool?
Because I found it somewhere it wasn't supposed to be.
What was it at?
Under the house.
You found what? You brought that in here?
Yeah. It was under the house where the chairs are.
Did you wash it?
Yes.
That could have been your Uncle Mitchell's car, or that could have been Deontay's.
This? From a long
It was
time
under
ago?
the tree.
Yeah, it was under that tree. Where
Which tree?
you know where the cars are? Yeah,
Oh
like
yeah,
if
maybe
you-
that was missing somebody.
Whoa. Told you how time can break stuff. That's crazy. And it was made in. It doesn't say when it was made. Scratch it off.
Yeah, that's an old car. That could either been Deontay's car or your Uncle Mitchell's.
No one knows. Did they used to have Hot Wheels back then?
Yeah. Yes.
I remember when they first made Hot Wheels.
Well, all right. Since he done showed y'all his car, and I done finished my pie already. I'm about to get started on these cakes. Get this video up for y'all. So if I do not see you guys before Thanksgiving, y'all have a great and blessed Thanksgiving. Be safe. Enjoy y'all family. As I tell you guys all the time. And we will see y'all later. Okay, y'all?